So again, if you want to take some time to follow steps with me as I show you how to make this booklet, you can pause and just get a sheet of paper, again, a 8.5 by 11 printer paper, or if you have construction paper, any really piece of paper, anything that is blank, right? Or if you just want to watch me do the steps, that's fine too. So up to you if you want to just watch me do the steps, or if you want to follow along step by step and make a booklet with me right now, that's fine. Okay, so when you have your piece of paper, also you need a pair of scissors. Okay, so those are the two main tools. If you want to have a ruler to make creases, or really use a pen, pencil, whatever to write and draw your story, have that with you as well. But once you have your piece of paper, what you're going to do is you're going to hold it so it's a landscape, so it's like a wide rectangle, and it helps. I'm holding this up so you can see it more easily, but it would help if you had the paper flat on a surface, on a flat surface or on a table. It's easier just to like fold and crease. So you have your piece of paper laying flat on the table surface, wide in this landscape orientation. And what you're going to do is you're going to take one side of the paper, right? You're going to take this edge and fold it so that it meets the other edge. So you're just folding it in half like such. It's called a hamburger fold. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and crease that. Okay, you can use your fingers to crease it, you can use a ruler, you can use a pen just to kind of make a nice crease. Okay, so your paper should look like this. It's just folded in half, like you just made a pamphlet. And then the next step is really easy too. You're going to just take this top part and just fold it in half. You're going to fold it down in half so that the top edge meets the bottom edge. And then you're going to just crease that with your finger or a ruler or a pen. Okay, so now you should have a smaller rectangle that looks like this, and you can flip it up and down. Okay, so this is where you're going to take a pair of scissors. We're going to do some cutting, but before we do that, something I suggest that is easier is you're going to flip up your piece of paper, okay, so that the crease, it's called a mountain crease because it looks like a tent. Okay, so it's easiest to cut when you're gonna hold your piece of paper like it's a tent. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a pair of scissors. We're just gonna cut this crease right from here to here. Okay, so let me just make some marks here. So all we're going to do is on this top part, we're going to just cut from here to here. Okay, you don't want to cut this back page, you just want to cut the front page. Okay, so, right, it's going to be a little hard to demonstrate. So, right, you're going to cut right from this edge to this crease here, okay? And then you fold it down in half, and voila, you have your booklet, okay? So this is one of the cover pages, middle page, and the last cover page, okay? So the slit, the open slit that you just cut should be at the top. It should be facing up top, okay? So I think I showed you backwards, but you know, again, you can orient your book however you want. In Japan, right, the way that people read books is the opposite way that we read books in the U.S. But yeah, so here's the front cover page, the middle part, and then again the last the back cover. And then the bonus page, right, if you flip it back, is you can just open it up like this. So that's the bonus page. Okay. If you don't want the bonus flip-up page, you can glue it down or you can tape it down so that it's just a regular booklet. Okay. So that's how you make a 6-page booklet out of a sheet of printer paper. Pretty easy. I do have a handout if you want to look at the pictures with the written steps. Otherwise, I hope this video was helpful to you. All right, well, have fun with making whatever you want to make out of this booklet, and spread seeds of joy. I hope you find a lot of joy in making this booklet. Okay, take care.